Hi all, welcome to Recipe Fever Vlogs. Today I will be making a very famous and delicious Chinese main course recipe, egg fried rice. To give it more richness and color, I have added lots of vegetables as well. So let's start making the recipe. First, measure and take 2.5 cups of long grain basmati rice. Wash the rice once and add enough water to soak the rice. We will use this water to cook the rice. Let the rice soak for 30 minutes. Once the rice has soaked, drain the water from it and keep a large pot or vessel with that water for boiling. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the water. Also add 1 tablespoon of refined oil to it so that the rice doesn't stick to one another while cooking. Once the water starts boiling, add the soaked basmati rice to it. Cook the rice for 9 minutes on a high flame. Now, after 9 minutes, you can see that the rice has cooked well. At this stage, turn off the stove and drain the water from the rice. Once done, transfer it to a wide cookware and spread the rice so that the rice doesn't stick to one another. Now, switch on the stove and keep a heavy bottom kadai for heating. Add 3 tablespoons of refined oil to it. Once the oil becomes hot, break open 5 whole eggs and add them to it. Also add half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder to it. Saute and scramble the eggs on a medium flame for 5 minutes. Now you can see that the scrambled eggs are done. Take it from the kadai and keep it aside. To the same kadai, add 4 tablespoons of refined oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Saute the garlic until the raw smell goes from it. Then add 2 onions that are cut into thin and long slices. Saute it for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Then add the following vegetables that are cut into thin and long slices. Add 2 cups of carrot, 1 capsicum, 1.5 cup of cabbage and 2 cups of beans. Mix everything well and then add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it. Saute and cook the vegetables on a high flame until the water starts leaving from the vegetables. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix it well. Cook the vegetables until the moisture content in the vegetables are fully removed and also the color of the vegetables becomes light. At this stage, add 3 teaspoons of dark soya sauce and mix everything well. Make sure that the flame is high while adding the sauces so that it gets a smoky flavor. Next, add 2 teaspoons vinegar and 3 teaspoons of pepper powder. Mix everything well and cook them on a high flame for 2 minutes. Once done, remove it from the stove and place the big cookware with the rice in it, so that it will be easy to mix everything. If you are doing in a small quantity, you can add the rice directly to the vegetables and mix it. Now, add the vegetables to the rice and mix everything well. Saute them on a high flame for 2 minutes. Then, add the scrambled eggs and 1/4 cup of chopped spring onion greens. Mix everything and saute them for a minute. After that, switch off the stove. The delicious egg fried rice is ready to be served. Garnish it with some spring onion greens. Do try this recipe and enjoy it with your loved ones. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and press all to get instant notifications on new recipes. Hit the like button and share my videos to your loved ones. For more details and tips on the recipe, see the description box below. Visit my official website to get the full recipe. Also, share your suggestions and feedback in the comment section with me. Thank you for spending your precious time watching my video. Have a nice day.